Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
When a voice-to-text error appears, pause for 2 seconds before speaking again. This pause helps the engine separate phrases and reduce misheard words. Tap the mistranscribed word within 3 seconds to keep context intact. Correct using the keyboard when a word looks wrong. Enable automatic punctuation to insert commas and periods accurately. Speak full phrases instead of fragments for clearer intent. Repeat proper nouns slowly and spell uncommon words, allowed for better recognition. Train the app with your voice for at least 5 minutes to improve accuracy. Read a standard paragraph slowly and naturally during training. Use a headset microphone with about 30 dB noise reduction for clearer input. Position the mic 3.5 inches from your mouth to prevent clipping. Turn on phrase learning to prioritize names and repeated terms automatically. Add custom vocabulary for industry words or names you use frequently. Test accuracy by dictating a 100-word passage and note common errors. Review transcripts within 24 hours to catch context-based errors early. Correct obvious mistakes first, then resolve nuanced phrasing in a second pass. Keep commonly used corrections as text snippets for one-tap replacement during editing. Export transcripts to TXT or docx immediately for backup and detailed batch editing. Use find and replace to fix repeated mishearings across the document quickly. Save a final copy with version date to track changes over time. Automate routine corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.